my gosh. As you're watching this, I am in Italy. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing, what was that? We are going to be doing a super fun and exciting Ulta haul. That is right, you guys. I did go to Ulta a couple days ago and I picked up a few things. This is not like a huge giant Ulta haul or anything like that, but I did pick up a few things and I wanted to share them with you.
I don't know why I went slightly British just then.
Share them with you. So I gotta have them in this bag, so it's like a bag inside of a bag. Let's go ahead and just jump into it, you guys. If you want to see what I did get in this time's Ulta haul, then just keep on watching. So like I said, I did not get like very many things because for one, I am packing to get ready to go to Italy. As you're watching this, I will be there. First thing that I got was from Essence. I've never actually used anything from Essence before, but then I saw the stand and literally everything was sold out. This was the only eyeshadow palette left available. Like,
this is the only one.
I was just like, wow, this must be really good. So this is the Essence I Flirt Party Look palette, and it's really cute. Now Essence is more of a drugstore type of brand, but I've heard their stuff is actually really good. So I'm excited. It's got a little bit of schmutz on it right there. I get it. It reminded me of like Fran Drescher. You got some schmutz. Anyways, here is what the actual packaging looks like. It is kind of in this kind of hard plastic packaging, and it says I Flirt on the front there. The colors are actually really pretty. So you've got your basic browns obviously, and then you've got some purples and pinks and everything up here. So I am excited to play around with this palette and see what I think. Again, I've never used anything from Essence before, so I'm excited to see what it's like. I'm super excited. Can't wait to try this out. Next up, I got two things from Florence by Mills. That's Millie Bobby Brown's new brand. Try saying that 3 times fast. Millie Bobby Brown's new brand. That's a lot. So I got two things here. This one is the Florence by Mills Swimming Under the Eyes gel pads. Basically they are eye patches that go under your eyes, but they look like whales. This packaging is adorable. I really do love this packaging. It's very simple. I love the color. It's simplistic, like I said, and they look like little whales. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. I don't want to like dump out the
Look!
Oh my gosh, that is so flippin' adorable. I love that so much. Next up, I have this by Florence by Mills. This is the Gifted Glossed Get Glossed Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Mellow Mills. It is basically just like a pinky kind of lip gloss. I love the formula in it so far, and it is just a really simple kind of sheer pinky-ish gloss right here, if you can see that. It's very sheer. It's got a little pink to it, but I like it so far. Very hydrating, and it's not like super sticky or anything, but like, oh golly, is it it's hydrating. I like it. Next up, last two things we have here are these two are from Urban Decay. The first thing that I got is this gloss, and I don't know why I got this. I think I thought it came out with the new Naked Honey palette right here, but I don't think it did. I think this came out with like the Naked Heat palette, so oopsie.
I don't know why I bought this.
But this is the Naked Heat Lip Plumper, and it's in the shade Heat. Here's what it looks like. I'm probably not gonna keep this because I haven't used it. I don't know about this. I thought that it actually, color just looks a little bit like maple syrup, like very thick maple syrup, and I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, there's that. If you do have this one, let me know. Let me know if you like it. And then the very last thing we have here, I'm very excited about. This is the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. This is their brand new palette in the Naked line, and it is very pretty. It is very yellow, so if you like your yellow golden tones, you will love this. Here's what the packaging looks like. Oh my gosh, it's just like so, I love it. I love it. Here are what the shadows look like. Very pretty. I love these shades. I'm not huge into yellow usually, but like these are
Real nice.
I have used this palette. I used it in a couple videos ago. So I have used it and I really enjoyed it, just for the record. So just to clarify, I didn't actually do like a review on the Naked Honey palette yet. I just wore it in the September favorites video. That's what was on my eyes, just to clarify. It's probably the best Naked palette that I've personally used. So really good things to say about this guy. I like it. Yeah, no, it is really good. And then I got this in the haul. As you can see, it's here. But yeah, you guys, that is the haul today. I know this was like a more quick video, it's a shorter video, but I did want to show you guys what I did get in the kind of like mini haul today. If you guys have used any of this stuff that I mentioned today, any of the stuff that I got, if you've tried any of the Florence by Mill stuff, or if you also got the new Honey palette from Urban Decay, let me know. If you've used anything by Essence, please let me know that as well, because I do want to try more with this brand, so I'm excited. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.